During May and June 2021, Venus is low in the western sky after sunset. Find a clear horizon to see it. 45 minutes after sunset, the brilliant planet is very low in the sky. Venus begins this observing sequence between the horns of Taurus, then steps into Gemini. The Moon joins the bright planet on June 11th. Venus passes Pollux on June 21st. May 27th, Venus is 1.2 degrees to the lower right of Mercury. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Use a binocular to track Venus through the star fields. On May 27th, Venus is 1.2 degrees to the lower right of Mercury. Venus is slightly over 5 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Use a binocular. You might be able to see Elnath, to the upper right of Venus, and Zeta Tauri, Zeta Tau, to the planet's upper left. The planet is setting at its most northerly azimuth, 304 degrees. This continues through June 14th, then the planet begins to set farther southward. May 28th, 45 minutes after sunset, observe Venus, nearly 6 degrees up in the west-northwest. It is 0.4 degrees to the upper right of Mercury. On the next evening, May 28th, Venus is 0.4 degrees to the upper right of Mercury and above a line that connects Elnath and Zeta Tauri. Venus moves into Gemini on June 2nd and begins to pass the dimmer stars of the constellation. For those wanting to track the planets' conjunctions in Gemini with a binocular, they are summarized here. June 11th, the Moon is 2.8 degrees to the lower right of Venus. The crescent moon joins Venus on June 11th. The lunar slice is 2.8 degrees to the lower right of Venus. 45 minutes after sunset, the pair is only about 7 degrees up in the west-northwest. June 21st, Venus passes 5.2 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. 10 days later, June 21st, Venus passes 5.2 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. The brilliant planet is over 8 degrees in altitude in the west-northwest about 45 minutes after sunset. Venus as an evening star article. 2021, May 23rd, Planet Parade marches on. May 23, 2021, 5 bright planets parade across the sky. Jupiter and Saturn are visible before sunrise in the southeastern sky. The star Fomalhaut is becoming visible below bright Jupiter and near the horizon. After sundown, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky. The bright moon is in the southeastern sky during the nighttime hours. 2021, May 22nd, parading 5 planets. May 22, 2021, 5 planets parade across the sky. Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeast before sunrise. Evening star Venus, Mercury and Mars are in the western sky after sunset. A bright moon is in the southeastern sky. 2021, May 21st, evening planet ballet. May 21, 2021, 3 bright planets are dancing in the western sky after sundown. Evening star Venus is entering the sky for a months-long residency after its solar conjunction 2 months ago. Mercury is heading for a conjunction with Venus after its best evening appearance of the year. Mars continues its eastward march in Gemini, but time is running out on its appearance as it approaches brighter evening twilight and a conjunction with Venus. 2021, May 21st, twilight lengthens. May 21, 2021, at the weather warms, daylight and twilight lengthen to diminish nighttime hours. As the summer solstice approaches, far northern latitudes do not have periods of darkness. From the most northern latitudes, the sun does not set, the land of the midnight sun. 2021, May 20th, evening planet dance. May 20th, 2021, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars continue their planetary dance in the western sky after sunset. Begin looking for brilliant Venus about 30 minutes after sunset. 15 minutes later, Mercury and Mars join the ballet.